Good morning. The maternal mortality rate in developed countries is 1 in 4,300 women, compared to 1 in 31 in low-income countries. 65% of 30 million deliveries in India take place at home in inappropriate health conditions. Pregnancy is something which people believe due to social norms that does not require medical attention. I believe to achieve the success rate of developed countries, we don't need a magical wand, but we need a holistic approach to maternal health care which focuses on the preventive as well as the curative aspect of maternal health care. In this program, I suggest new methods of creating awareness of the importance of nutrition, immunization, birth control, available healthcare services and hygiene amongst pregnant women, especially in India. Preventive aspect of holistic approach. We need to create sustainable activities at several levels simultaneously. The first level is the involvement at the local governing body. In India, villages are governed by panchayats. Every training program or pamphlet has to have a message endorsed by the local leader or the panchayat member, because people are more likely to accept a message which is endorsed by the local panchayat leaders. Hence, this pamphlet, although useful, must have a picture of the local people, of the local government, so that people recognize the importance of the message. The second is the involvement at community level. We need to retrain the trainers so that they are able to pass on the initiative of the work that they themselves do to the villagers, so that they can carry on these programs even after the social workers have left the village. We can do that by conducting activities like street plays and self-help groups. Street plays are like informal plays. So social workers can give the villagers a script like a day in the life of an expecting mother in that village, and see what all activities that the villagers come up with, and we can involve pregnant women, small children, girls, old ladies, and fit them in any role that they feel comfortable in. Then you suggest changes and incorporate your made changes into the play and see how the play ends in a different healthy ending of the mother and the child. And then if this play is presented in a panchayat meetings which take place every week, the message, since being done by the villagers themselves, is more likely to get accepted. The second is self-help groups. Self-help groups, social workers, instead of visiting every home, organize and create a platform for discussion of topics for women. So pregnant women from different villages come together in a common area and discuss discuss their problems and discuss whatever challenges they face in their day-to-day life. And often women have their own ingenious solution for the problems that they face, and if they have a platform to discuss and share it, they are more likely to be successful in the term of pregnancy. In these two programs we believe are going to be immensely successful, as the outside involvement is minimal and a message, since being presented by the villagers themselves, is presented in an easy to understand manner. And the third is the involvement at family level. The importance of men is extremely important, so we suggest that these self-help groups meetings take place in the evening, so that men can accompany the woman and take part in a discussion, as well as take care of the security of the woman in traveling to these self-help meetings. The third is the curative aspect of holistic healthcare. The government of India at one point fortified salt with iodine to take care of the deficiency of iodine amongst poor people in India. We believe that conducting the same thing with fortifying salt and roti, which is made up of wheat and which is consumed by the people in India, especially in northern India, every day, with calcium and iron, will help us take care of the deficiencies of these nutrients in their daily diet. And this fortification will take place at the local level, done by the local vendors, because that is where villagers buy most of the salt and their wheat from. And since this does not change the taste, color or smell of the salt or the roti, it is more likely to be accepted. The second is the midwife training program. The people who are already working in the field of immunization and family planning in districts and in villages need to be trained to become midwives. The midwife training program should be a certificate program offered in local languages, so that these people can take care of those pregnancies and reduce the number of pregnancies which take place at homes. And since they are going to be people in the village themselves, people are more likely to go to them instead of getting kids delivered at home. No magic wand will work. So hence we need to rework our basics to get the solution, and I think by propagating a holistic healthcare approach, we will get a perfect solution. Thank you.